Hi everyone, welcome back to my lab and today's video, which is going to be my June BoxyLuxe unboxing. I am a paying Boxycharm subscriber. I've been with the service, oh my goodness, like 3 years now maybe. I really enjoy it. I don't always love everything that I get in my box, but overall it's a great value for the money that you pay. BoxyLuxe is in addition to your regular subscription, which is typically $21 a month, but for BoxyLuxe you would pay a total of $50 a month and you receive one every 3 months. So not every single month is a BoxyLuxe, but this one is, and let's go ahead and get into my box. I'll put the prices of everything on the screen, but as you know, there is a theme, and this month's theme is Boxycharm Getaway. By the way, if you're interested in this eye look, I created using it the Jouer Tan Lines eyeshadow palette, and if I have it up already, I will link it up in the cards. If not, it will likely be my very next video, so make sure you subscribe so you catch that. Also, let me know if you enjoy seeing Boxycharm unboxings. I know I keep asking you for feedback on every video, but I really want to make my channel as best as it can be, and so I want to know if you enjoy these videos. So here is my first item. It comes in a little pouch and it says PYT, which I think stands for pretty young thing maybe. So I have 2 hair dryer attachments. And here's the cutest baby I have ever seen. Look at this. This is so adorable. Oh, and it has voltage adjustments too. So if you're international, it has 230 volts or 120 volts. This is so cute. Look. This is the cutest thing I've ever seen. I like the color too. It matches my nails. That is such a cute little guy to keep in your handbag. It weighs almost nothing. But to take to the gym or something like that, it's awesome. Comes in a really cute carrying pouch as well. Now that one is supposed to retail for $85? $85? Goodness, I think I've seen some on Sephora for a little bit less money. The next item in the box is from Living Proof, and this is the Full Dry Volume Blast. I've actually used this product and I absolutely love it. Living Proof is super expensive, but really, really good brand. So I'm very excited to have that. This is just some packaging. The next item I knew that I was going to be getting in my box because it was teased. This is the Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow, and it is the AHA Resurfacing Night Serum. If you've seen any of my Sephora recommendations or favorites videos, you know that I love the Drunk Elephant Sukari Baby Facial. This is something, I think it's for every night. Let's see. It says use 2 to 3 times a week. So it's not like the baby facial, that one you're supposed to use like once a week. And it's not like the glycolic, what is it called? There's like a daily product that you use every night from Drunk Elephant, but this is pretty much like every other night, and it says may build up to more frequent use. I love acid treatments. They give you like an instantaneous result. I have been using them now for about a year and I'm really, really loving those. By the way, the Living Proof product is $29. Yes, it is. And the Pharmacy product is $58, which, yes, it is. The next item in my box is a cleanser. This one is by the brand Dr. Brandt, and it is a pH balanced yogurt cleanser with chlorophyll. It's supposed to be for all skin types, and it says apply on damp skin and gently massage to rid skin of excess oil, makeup, pollution, and everyday grime. Use AM and PM. So the Dr. Brandt product is $35. We've received Dr. Brandt in our Boxycharms before. I've never tried this cleanser. I've got quite a few cleansers right now actually, but I know that that's something I will definitely go through. The next item is something from Touch in Soul. This is a primer. It is the No Problem Prime Essence. It says Prime Essence infused with Calendula officinalis flower extract tightens up the pores and keeps the skin silky and smooth for better and long-lasting makeup. Very interesting product. It's a primer. Very pretty packaging. I like that. I don't think I showed you the packaging of this product. Let's take a look. This one is the Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow. So this primer retails for $23. We recently got their other No Problem primer. I think last month. I don't think I did an unboxing for that one, but that's a very good product. I know it gets really good reviews. Next we have something by the brand Trestique. This one is actually labeled not for sale, probably because it doesn't have the packaging. Yeah, there's no UPC code on this one, so we didn't receive the box, but this is the Good Vibes mascara, and it says flip down to curl. It has an eyelash curler on there. Okay, it says flip down to curl. I don't know about curling my eyelashes with this, but I definitely get the travel vibe since it's kind of a 2-in-1 product and you have a mascara in there. It's kind of hard to open the mascara because of this mechanism, but let's see. Oh, it has a very nice brush. It's one of those hourglass shaped brushes. I really like this kind of brush because it gets the inner and outer part of your lashes really, really well all in one go. Since you get close to the inner, more slender part of the hourglass, I like how it applies. Not necessarily this one, I haven't ever tried this one, but just in general, those hourglass shapes. So that Trestique mascara retails for $25. Interesting little gadget. Here we have what appears to be a skin mist. This one is by the brand Skin & Company, Acqua Illuminante Viso. It is a truffle therapy illuminating skin refresh mist, and it is a radiant dew. I love a radiant mist. Shake well before each use to activate the botanical extract. Hold the bottle 8 to 10 inches away from face and mist all over skin. Let's check out the mister. Shake it. Oh, it's pretty nice. It doesn't spray out too aggressively. Don't really smell anything. Let me do it again. It smells herbally, actually. Yeah, a little herbally. So let's see. This one retails for $35. Truffle therapy, interesting. It says it's enriched with antioxidant-rich, soothing, and detoxifying botanicals such as black winter truffle, rosemary, ginger, peppermint, and Damascena rose, some kind of rose. Refreshing mist encourages a radiant complexion while rebalancing skin's pH level, tightening pores, and setting makeup. Nice. I love a good dewy mist. Take a look at this one in the box. This is by Dominique Cosmetics. I know she makes liquid lipsticks and also glosses. This is in the shade Peach Tea. It doesn't say, just says it's the shade Peach Tea. It is a lip gloss. This is from her Lemonade collection. I want her new Rustic palette. It's like the next palette I have on my wish list. That one, and I'm not sure about the Melt Cosmetics one. I actually swatched it in store and there's a red shade in there. That is so pretty. So here's the Dominique Cosmetics lip gloss. Very cute packaging. Let's give it a little swatch. Oh, it smells like cake. Trying to be on a diet here. There's a swatch for you. It really smells delicious. Oh my goodness. I'm really excited to try that from her brand. It's great that it's in a Boxycharm. It's good promotion for her brand. One more item. This one is the Tarteist Pro Glow 3 palette. It says Glow Level Extreme. Oops, let's see. The Dominique Cosmetics was $17. So this is a face palette. Looks like you have bronzer, blush, and highlight. My camera is washing out the shades just a little bit. You can see it better back here. Yeah, very pretty shades. I don't actually have this one. Let's swatch a couple of these. So I swatched that one, and that one. I think you can see them better from here. A bronzer, highlight, and a blush. They feel a little bit dry to the touch, but with face products, it's always important to just try them on the face and see. I don't actually have this one. I have quite a few Tarte palettes. I think maybe like 3, but I don't have this one, and this one retails for $45. And that's everything in the box. So let's do a little adding here. $352. Not bad at all for a $50 investment. I'm really happy with everything I got in my box. I really don't see anything here that I wouldn't use, which is amazing. Sometimes there's one or two things that I may not necessarily use, but I always get the value of what I paid, and so I'm really happy. Still a thumbs up for Boxycharm. Of course, I'll try all the products. I'll let you know how they work out in a future video. I could have done a try-on. Usually I do try-on videos, but honestly, looking at this, there's really not that much that I could have tried on. Just the palette and the lip gloss and the mascara, I guess. But overall, a good value for the box. If you enjoyed my unboxing, give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you got anything different and what they're putting in the regular boxes this time. I got it pretty early and I haven't seen too many unboxings. Usually I see one or two before I get my box, but early this time, which is definitely a good thing. That's everything for today's video. If you enjoyed it, give it a like for me. Make sure to let me know if you enjoy these unboxing videos. And I look forward to seeing you again really, really soon on my next video. I hope you're doing well. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes of your day with me. I always really, really appreciate it. And I look forward to chatting with you in the comments. Bye-bye.